A FDX file is a final draft screenplay, the industry standard format used by screenwriters in Hollywood and beyond. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, and convert your script. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your FDX file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. An FDX file is a screenplay document created by Final Draft, the industry standard scriptwriting software used in Hollywood and professional television production. It stores script content, including scene headings, action lines, dialogue, character names, and transitions in Final Draft's XML-based format. FDX files use an XML-based document format introduced in Final Draft 8. The schema includes structured screenplay elements such as paragraph elements with type attributes, defining element types like scene heading, action, and character. The format supports revisions, notes, and production scheduling data. There's a proprietary link between the FDX format and Final Draft by Final Draft, a cast and crew company. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows provides limited document interaction, so full access requires dedicated editing software. To force file access, right-click your FDX file and select Open With. If Final Draft is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your FDX file will not open yet, do not panic. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, open with Final Draft. FDX files are natively opened by Final Draft version 8 or later on. Windows or macOS, launch Final Draft and use File, Open to load the FDX screenplay file. All formatting, scene elements, and revision marks will be preserved in Final Draft's industry standard screenplay display interface. Next, open with Highland or Fade-In Pro. If Final Draft is not available, open FDX files using Highland 2 on macOS or Fade-In Pro on Windows and macOS. Both applications support Final Draft's FDX format and provide full screenplay editing capabilities. Writer Duet also offers FDX import through its web-based screenplay editor. Finally, convert FDX to PDF or FDR format. To share an FDX screenplay without requiring Final Draft, export it as a PDF using Final Draft's file, Export as PDF feature. For older Final Draft versions, use File, Save as to convert FDX to FDR format. PDF export preserves proper screenplay formatting for industry standard distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.